For determining the clarifier solids flux loading. You'll see that the input data will be the return activated sludge concentration, the number of units you have in service, the plant flow, the return sludge flow, the mixed liquor, suspended solids, and the 30-minute settling. Below you'll see that you select the clarifier type, 1 for rectangular, 2 for circular, and then you put in, since we have rectangular, you put in the dimensions, otherwise you would put in the clarifier diameter. This then solves for, with that input, for the total area, the sludge volume index, the underflow loading, the overflow rating, the hydraulic residence time, the clarifier solids loading, and the maximum clarifier loading, and the status, which says that you're underloaded. There is an interactive graph down here. Each one of these is an SVI, sludge volume index line. In our particular case right now, we are at 7,000 return sludge, and you'll see that the X, which is the data, is about 12, and the 12 would be the solids flux loading that we're loading with, and K is the max. So you'll see that right now what we have here is we got 40 some pounds per day available that we can handle with these clarifiers, and we're only at 12, so we're underloaded. Now if you change, and we can change the flow to 2,500,123 and solve it, and we'll see that it's still underloaded, but we'll see that the loading is now 19, although the max stayed the same. So now we're up here. So this is an interactive graph. This will come up. Again, you need at least 5,000 parts per million return activated sludge for the nomograph, or you'll get an error message from the program. If we were to increase the number of clarifiers, which is in some plants that I'm involved with, we do that, and we solve this, then we're going to lower the solving, and then we lower to 595 and 2.4. So this interactive application will allow you to evaluate where you stand on your clarifier loading, solid flux loading. It's available. It can be accessed by a smartphone, tablet, or a laptop.